Tonight I'm going to make for you a low-carb spaghetti zucchini noodles in replace of your heavy starched spaghetti traditional noodles. So here we go. We're going to cut off the ends of the zucchini like so, and that one hit the floor. And we're going to go ahead and peel this. First wash it, then you're going to peel it like so. Very simple. A lot of people would like to keep on the peel for the nutrients, and that's fine as well. I think if you're just trying to make a spaghetti dinner and you want to feel like you're pretty much having the same meal as your family, but you're cutting out the carbs, they can have the carbs, then go ahead and do it this way. And it tastes more like a traditional spaghetti dinner as well. Once you're done with this, you're just going to put it in this handy dandy tool that I purchased from Kroger's. You may have a different kind of tool. This one's called the veggetti. And so we're going to go ahead and place the zucchini inside here. There's a thick setting and there is a thin setting. Since we're doing spaghetti, we're going to go ahead and do the thick setting. And you're just going to do it like this. You're going to place it inside here. You can see I've used carrots before in this. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put the zucchini in here. I'm going to come over here to my pot and go ahead and just keep giving it a whirl. You might get a good cup out of this. I'm going to use 2. It's guilt-free and it'll fill you up. Beautiful noodles, beautiful. And some of the inside, the core of your zucchini is going to come through this end, and that's fine. I like to mix it in and get all of it. And now I'm going to grab the this part of the veggetti. You see how it's got these prongs? It'll hold your vegetable in place, and you can put it right here at the tips, go into the end of your zucchini when you get down. This is very sharp on the inside of the veggetti, so you do not want to put your hands in there, your fingers, keep them away. Beautiful. Look at those strands. That's just beautiful. And the taste is so delicious. It is really good. Very hearty. So here we go, and it leaves like a little core. And you can slice it up, put it back in there, whatever you want to do. If you want to put it to the side, that's your prerogative. I'm going to show you how much this weighs. So now we did 1 medium zucchini, and let's see how much it weighs right here with this scale. I picked this scale up at Walmart for about $7.99, $8. So let's go ahead and just see. How many ounces did we get out of this? Wow, we got 8 ounces, approximately 8 ounces. Okay, so we know if we do 2 mediums, you're gonna get 16 ounces out of it. Beautiful. I'll show you. Okay, so what we've done is sped up the process here, and I've peeled my second zucchini, my medium zucchini. You have the zucchini in the scale, and it's ready to be put into the pot. And I'm gonna put about half a cup of water into the pot. There you go, like so. Put on a medium-high just to get it to boil. And once we've done that, you can put a little salt to taste, and I'm just going to give a dash of salt into the water, like so. Okay. Now, once the water boils, I'm going to go ahead and put my zucchini in. And it's going to be a really quick process. So, just bear with me. Alright, so our spaghetti zucchini is in the pot, and we're letting it get a little tender in here. So it feels a little bit more like spaghetti. Look how that consistency is beautiful. Tastes really good. The zucchini has such a light taste, and you're not even going to realize that you're eating zucchini. It'll be really delicious. And it's healthy. We're just going to turn it a little bit. You're welcome to go ahead and steam this as well. I'm just putting a little bit of water in here. It's doing its job. It's getting it nice and tender. We don't want to over boil it so it doesn't become mush. And you'll see that you know, zucchini does do that if you overcook it. So we don't want to overcook it. All right, now that my zucchini is nice and tender, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of off the stove. You see, you drain off the water like this. There's not that much water in there, so not much liquid. So I can just go from here to the plate. I am not a chef, obviously. I'm just a mom and grandmother. And through the years, I put on weight, and I'm trying to find different ways to stay healthy. And I think this is a great healthy dish. There we go. You see? Wonderful. And let's show you some of these strands here. It looks like spaghetti. It's wonderful. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my topping, which is spaghetti sauce. It can be any spaghetti sauce topping. It can be Alfredo sauce, whatever you make. That's fine. Just go ahead and plate it. I made spaghetti for my family tonight. I'm omitting the traditional starchy noodles. That's for my family. And this is mine. So I'm going to go ahead and put some spaghetti sauce on top of my zucchini noodles. There you go. Right there. There you have it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.